What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This morning we're going to start off hopping around the old trick worm on a shaky head. One of my go-to baits this time of year. See if we can't get any takers on it. Stay tuned. Oh my god, how big is this fish? Oh my gosh, how big is this fish? Okay, I don't think she's that big. Whew. Oh, she came off. She wasn't huge. I didn't get a good hook in her, man. I set the hook like right here and she was like swimming over here. Shoot. Got her. I was just about to reel that in too. Nice one. Got her. Another fat, chunky one, y'all. Nice. Come here.
2,000 years later.
All right, baby. Another good one, y'all. So what's going on here is this fish actually swallowed the hook. So I'm going in through the gill plate, turning that hook around to where the point of the barb is facing me so I can pull straight out on the hook to not cause any unnecessary damage to the fish. And there you have it. Painless operation. Go ahead and check the line for frays real quick and we're good to go. So close to getting him to eat this fucking thing, dude. Oh my god, that was a big one. So this is probably my second really good short strike I had on the Booyah Fire Tiger in about 30 minutes. Along with two other followers I had on the same frog, which tells me it's time to put on a more natural color. So I went with the Bobby's Perfect in the bluegill pattern and finally started to connect on some of these fish. Biggin. Finally got her. Whew, they're hitting the frog, y'all. I just haven't been able to get them to eat it. Yes, sir. Solid one, baby, on the Bobby's Perfect. More of like a bluegill kind of bait fish pattern. They were short striking the Booyah, the green and the black one. I was getting a lot of short strikes, but that one hammered it. Got one on a spinnerbait. Damn. Little guy, but broke the ice on the spinnerbait. See if we can't get some more here. Come on, fish. Work with me here. Oh, monster, monster, monster. Monster, monster. Oh my goodness. Monster. Monster. Come on, fish. Stop head shaking. Stop head shaking. Giant one. Giant one. Don't jump. Big one. Ooh, barely had her hooked. Barely had that fish hooked. It's a good 3.5. Barely had her hooked. I watched her come out and eat it. Oh yeah, that's a healthy one, y'all. It's a good 3+. Nice. Barely had her hooked. Woo, just barely. All right, we're gonna let her go. I'm moving so fucking quick to my bait right now. Oh shit. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I just had one hit it twice. I just had a monster hit it twice. Shit. Oh my god. I just had a monster hit this thing twice. And I'm moving right at my fucking bait. I knew I should have stopped. Fuck. Jesus, that was a huge fish. There she is. Come here. I don't even know if that's the same fish, y'all. I don't even know if that's the same one. Don't do that. Golly. That was wild. I think there's another one over there too. Oh, that's a big one. Come here. Come here. Yep. Gotcha. Woo! Let's go, baby. Don't even think that's the same fish. That was wild. Whew. Hell yeah. Nice one. Oh, no way that fish came off. Dude. She ate it through the grass and I just didn't get a good hook in her. That was a nice one, y'all. Dang, that was a nice one. Shit. Oh my god, that was so sick. Giant one. That was so sick. Don't do that. Come here. Uh-uh. Got her. It's frogging season, boys. It is frogging season. Look at that. It's a good like 3-pounder, y'all. We let her go. Maybe a little bigger. Giant. Don't. Oh my god, it's a huge one. Oh my god, it's a freaking huge one, y'all. Huge one. Don't do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucking maybe a 6-pounder. Maybe a 6. Maybe a 6. God. Come here. Huge one. Don't jump. Don't jump. Come here. Yes. Ooh. Oh my god, did y'all see her fucking hammer that thing? God. Look at that. Oh my god. That's a 5-pounder, I think. Nice. Look at that big mama. Fucking hammered that thing and peeled drag like a fucking redfish. That is awesome. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay froggy. Peace.